The US stock market bubble is about to burst. New followers are panicking again. As the saying goes, peak times breed fair weather fans. Dusk reveals the true believers. So, ignore the noise. Let's look to history for some reassurance. Here's an analysis of the Nasdaq's performance from 2017 to 2024. Chart increasing 2017. The Nasdaq rose 31.52%, its sixth consecutive year of gains. Why? Global economic expansion, tech sector innovation, especially in cloud computing. The Fed maintained loose monetary policy. Bull market conditions continued. It was a smooth ride. Only June closed negative. Every other month ended green. Chart decreasing 2018. The index fell minus 1.04%. This year resembled recent conditions. Trade tariffs disrupted tech supply chains and markets. The Fed hiked interest rates 4 times, tightening liquidity. Tech valuations took a hit. The first half extended the bull market, but the second half saw a 20% drop, the first annual loss in 7 years. Rocket 2019. A 37.96% surge. After just 6 months of adjustment, the market took off again. Why? The Fed pivoted, cut rates 3 times. Ample liquidity boosted tech stock valuations. Collision 2020. A year no one forgets. Despite pandemic panic and repeated news of market meltdowns, the Nasdaq soared 43%. Why? The Fed launched unlimited QE plus zero interest rates. Extreme market liquidity. Internet companies saw explosive earnings during lockdowns. Global capital flooded into the Nasdaq, not into so-called value assets. Chart increasing 2021. A continuation of 2020. The Fed stayed accommodative. The Nasdaq rose another 21%. Chart decreasing 2022. Finally, a downturn, minus 32.97%. Why? Rising inflation. The Fed began aggressive rate hikes, 7 increases that year. Tech valuations compressed sharply. A painful year, long and steep declines. Rocket 2023. Back to growth, plus 43%. Why? AI technology breakthroughs, e.g., NVIDIA leading the charge. Market excitement around AI computing and applications. Expectations of rate cuts by year-end. The last 2 months alone saw a 16% surge. Chart increasing 2024. A continuation of 2023. Rate cuts began. AI advancements accelerated. The Nasdaq rose 24.88%. Magnifying glass tilted left, what can we learn? When easy money meets technological breakthroughs, the Nasdaq tends to surge. Looking ahead to 2025, the trend will likely continue. The Fed has already cut rates twice and remains in an easing cycle. QD, balance sheet reduction, is set to pause in December. Abundant market liquidity. AI innovation continues to accelerate and expand into real-world applications. The Nasdaq already went through a solid correction in the first half of the year. So, with all that in mind, tell me, what exactly are you worried about? Smirking face.